Okay.
Anyway, me wa buy we be am person near remix.
Abaya.
Ajwachi. Sajwachi.
Hi.
August war boko there.
Minimum no
Fantana.
Oh.
Tira me kase nyumwe remix no. Menya artist amount pese nyumwe remix. Me am a production. What's some kind? Fantana mpacha te say.
Me hoye.
That's on TV.
What TV? I know I can.
Oh, me hoye your car, bro. For me hoye. Me hoye.
Now, me bonyo mo no. Obetie. The management etie. Na ya twetwe nkobo. Yes, I'm confrontational na yebo no. Anyway, person your remix. I don't know your plans, but I think say you should be man wait my nyum na come on.
Yeah, e blem pra and I'm a kwa be ma twem pra twia
Good morning, Fantana.
Good morning.
You're late. What happened?
We got lost.
You got lost?
Yeah.
Okay, this is Pure 95.7. Our main guest, Smart Nkansah, Namotel and Kenene Chinkomo. We have Fantana passing through. I guess what?
Yeah.
Bibia Boko, that's why I confused Kakra.
Me confused. There's one can't tell me in from two kumkramo. There, in from two kumkramo.
And as it
be a wabbing pan, I want the two to boot. Why ready? Why ready? Oh, to me, and it to an eye and to.
Okay, Memo Tienumbi. Also, make us a Jumedia legends, those 10 years plus. But new artists, young ones, Nibi Bar, we sit down, we have some discussion about the industry, how things are going.
Yeah.
Internet is surprised by. And I believe that is my view. So let's see how we can push with this artist. Now,
Fantana, I'm that girl. I can get any man I want
This
in this world.
is Pure FM 95.7.
I got money more than these girls. The jewels are gold and diamonds and pearls. But I don't understand why a fine boy keeps a broke girlfriend. So I'm gonna take your man and show him to my rich world. Money talk, bullshit walks when a rich girl talk. Broke girl shush. Money talks, bullshit walks. No gal can keep him in a rich girl wants. So if I hide your face, girl hide your face. Like when you don't get money, if I hide your face, girl hide your face. Who's that girl? Who's that girl? Fantana, I'm that girl. Sexy girl, me the boy that I want. Coca-Cola shape back and front. See, more money we a flaunt. Me a hot like fire upon blunt. Shh, I smoke them out. Fake girls, me I burn them out. If I like him, man, I'll be the villain. Take him out, bring him home, work him out till him pass out. I'm bad, and I know these broke girls got nothing on me. I'm bad, and I know these broke.
okay, welcome to Pure 95.7 on HammerTime. Welcome to Kumasi.
Thank you.
I know you're in Kumasi for your radio tour.
Yeah.
How far so far?
This is the second day, so it's going good.
Okay, the responses?
Very good.
Okay.
Everyone's very nice.
So, I don't know how far you've gone with the promotion. I've seen the videos all over, and I wish the corona thing was not bothering us as it is. Would have done something tonight, but unfortunately we couldn't make it. What are the plans moving forward?
Well, after the Corona thing, then I'll be able to, do more things, and I can actually shoot more music videos and release my songs and focus on like my album and stuff. Mm-hmm.
Have you thought of doing any local dialect song apart from English?
Yes, I have.
How can you do it? Because it looks like your tree is not that good.
It's not that good, but if I want to do something, I'll do it. So I know I'll do it. I'll do it.
You know you do it.
Yeah, I can do it.
Smart.
Yeah.
Say them kind say Ushia young artists like only Adina mix yamuye is here. Excellent. It is a Ushia a young artist here. A dear common unomudi. Javid was here. Do you know this man? You have no idea.
No. She's.
I mean, your last.
Too young to know me.
Your latest, your last song in Simpi, right?
Yeah.
I'm Franche.
In Simpi.
In Simpi is your last album. I think that song is even older than her. I guess so.
Where were you born?
When?
Where were you born?
In America.
To America.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
So I've gotten you a partner from Prache in Prache.
But does she understand in Prache?
Do you understand in Prache?
No.
Like dating, like just normal courtship or dating.
Oh, okay.
You see, people believe dating is more fun than getting married.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the sense of that song, right? In Prache.
No, it's an advice. It was advice to the youth that they like dating more than marriage. So
because, like you said,
dating more than marriage, so they should marry and stop dating. That was the first advice.
Okay, so
during the dating, he said, "Oh, I went to my lover's house."
Okay.
And he or she put a hand around my neck.
Okay.
I feel like I'm in heaven.
Paradise. You see butterflies. Okay, so we have this song from Fantana, Backstabber. Let's enjoy this song. Unfortunately, the time is on our side. Our time is up, but we'll just listen to this song. We just spent like 4 minutes of our time. Okay, let's go.
Fantana, I mean that. Me not joking, you know. We are one young.
Bad girl, bad boy, la Russo again.
It's mixed as the dancing on this one. You wanna stop me for no reason, then throw me shots, but I'm still breathing. You say you tough, but you completed. See how they rise and you keep bleeding.
This is Pure FM 95.7.
Pull me down the agenda. Jehovah, there's some inside. No, hey, stop her. Got me, I know you be pretender. Pull me down the agenda. Jehovah, there's some inside. No, hey. Can be so fake that it's peace intense. So I drop the line where I get used to. They hurt you, then play victim. Fire ban Babylon system. Me have a 90s bad girl just like Bonnie. And the queen I they see respect Queen Bonnie. Bad mind spray them like Sean. Scare them, make you sick to your tongue. Following the bad girl 90s bad girl trend. This is a bad girl trend. Me I know they chat them, me don't want no new friends. No new friends. You wanna stop me for no reason, then throw me shots but I'm still breathing. You say you tough but you completed. See how they rise and you keep bleeding.
Fantana.
Yes.
So, sorry. How are you dealing with your fans, your fellow artists, the colleagues, management, and stuff?
Everyone is cool. Yeah.
I've been reading stuff on social media. People are talking like, as Nkansah said, the social media has given some people a chance to just speak anyhow. Unlike their time, they weren't having that chance or opportunity to talk rubbish in quotes to artists and all. So how are you dealing with those kind of things?
When people say like negative things to me, either I'll just ignore it, and then some of them I don't see them as negative. Maybe someone is just giving me like constructive criticism, maybe to do better, like giving me advice. So some of those I listen, but if it's insults and stuff, I don't pay attention to those things.
Okay, our time is up. So tell us, moving forward, what is the deal?
more songs, and you know, I don't have an album yet, so of course releasing my first album.
How many songs so far?
5.
5 songs.
Yes.
The first one was which year?
So what? 2019. Last
2019.
year. Yeah.
5 songs within 1 year, right?
No, 3 2019 and 2 2020.
Yeah, so within a year.
Oh yeah, a year. Sorry.
Within a year. Smart. You made the bunny year. Na dia na be come the sorry so as why you bra penya out here.
So na me gusu kana o ka je say manya surprise. Na me ka kire youth say music na dey anya market 20 wo mon page me bi nka ho na ne am ye bi anso mo remfi o manya me so say bibia na fi so no enyim no mun sem ye time no na ye hwe enema ekoso abrabom
okay
ene ye de ye enyum no titrim ne wo mu fa enema ekoso abrabom mu de bete sem enyum no mun sem ne bi na ya na omomra omu fa nya bebuo mum
okay
chance on be no open
okay, thank you so much for joining us. Kase HammerTime one puputi na oni abetwen komo na konkran so a odin kran mo say obai so ya so mo kama.
But me studio no ya nka ho ayi de anti ma me
studio na so important. Okay,
contact to her send e be ya o chine bi so bi pese ohia me a.
Okay.
Obe my number there is 0577
okay
456
okay
544
okay
0577 456 544 and the studio number here 054 099 6399
okay
054 099 6399 and you know you Accra
okay that's it.
Fantana.
Okay, so what do you have to say to your fans listening to you right now? We are on Facebook Live, and yes.
Thank you guys for supporting me and continue to support me. Keep listening to Backstabber. It's available on all platforms, and all my social media platforms is at I am Fantana.
Okay. Thanks so much for passing through. This is HammerTime. Next week, another legend is joining us. Now, Evangelist Papa She, our next guest.
Yo, yo. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yo, yo. It's the HammerTime. What you waiting for? Jimmy Radio, no fat up, y'all. Homie, it's the HammerTime. What you waiting for? Jimmy Radio, no fat up, y'all. Homie, it's the HammerTime. What you waiting for? Jimmy Radio, no fat up, y'all. Homie, it's the HammerTime. What you waiting for? Jimmy Radio, no fat up, y'all.
Homie is the best. He's the best, yeah, you know it.